सुनते हैं आज सेगमेंट में उम्मत के रंग ज़हनी आजमाइश के संग में इस्लामाबाद पाकिस्तान के दारुल हुकूमत के फाइनल में इंग्लिश जबान में हम इंशाअल्लाह उम्मत के रंग ज़हनी आजमाइश सेगमेंट करेंगे। आइए शुरू करते हैं। नाज़रीन, आज जो टॉपिक है मैं चाहूंगा कि इस क्लिप को आपने बाद में आम भी करना है। इट इज स्पेशली फॉर द ब्रदर्स फ्रॉम अब्रॉड। इस्लाम के बारे में ये मिसकंसेप्शन पैदा की जाती है कि इस्लाम की वजह से जहां इस्लाम नाफिज होता है वहां प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाते हैं। आज टॉपिक ये है, इस्लाम इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर द वर्ल्ड, इस्लाम इज द ट्रू सॉल्यूशन टू द वर्ल्ड्स प्रॉब्लम्स। इस्लाम इज द मोस्ट पीसफुल and comprehensive religion in the world. It is not merely a faith but a complete code of life that teaches us how to live with peace, harmony and balance. The teachings of Islam encompass every aspect of human life: social, ethical, spiritual and economic. It guides us to treat others well, control our desires and build a society founded upon justice and compassion. Unfortunately, there are many misconceptions about Islam in the world today. Some associated it with violence or extremism, whereas the reality is completely different. The truth is that Islam is not a problem for the world, it is the solution. It's provide remedies for the challenges humanity faces, such as injustice, poverty, oppression, and moral decline. Islam teaches that peace begins within a person's heart. When someone follows the true teachings of Islam, they become kind, patient, honest, and forgiving. The very word Islam signifies peace. Therefore, Islam teaches us to spread peace within our homes, communities, and throughout the entire world. The Holy Quran teaches us to speak truthfully, help the needy, forgive others, and treat people with dignity. It instructs us not to harm anyone, refrain from deceit, avoid falsehood, and to stay away from hatred and arrogance. When people live by these principles, societies become strong, safe, and peaceful. Islam provides a system of justice to protect the rights of every individual. It teaches that all people are equal before Allah Almighty, whether rich or poor, black or white, strong or weak. No one is superior to other except through piety and good character. This message of equality and humanity is urgently needed in today's world. The modern world's problems, war, corruption, family breakdowns, and social injustice arise because people have abandoned moral values. Islam reminds us to return to truthfulness, honesty, and service to one another. Islam teaches balance in every aspect of life. It advocates moderation, neither falling excessively into the love of wealth nor exceeding limits in anger or behavior. It guides us to uphold fairness in trade and to treat both humans and animals with kindness. When the world adopts these principles, peace will naturally prevail. Wars will not occur out of greed. Injustice will not occur due to power, and hatred will not occur on the basis of race. Instead, love, cooperation, and respect will flourish. Islam is not against science, progress, and modernity. On the contrary, it encourages education, knowledge, and research. It invites us to reflect upon the universe and to apply our knowledge in accordance with the noble Quran and sacred Sunnah. True progress is only possible when knowledge is guided by moral and spiritual principles. And this is precisely what Islam provides. In summary, Islam is a religion that unites hearts rather than dividing them. It calls people towards righteousness, not destruction. It spreads light, not darkness. If the world understands and practices the true teachings of Islam, the earth will become a peaceful and prosperous place. Every individual will live with dignity and every society will flourish with justice and love. Remember, Islam is not a problem for the world, but the true solution to the world's problem. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.